Alright, so this is the Waves and Peace app. I have the custom icon here. When you open it up, you have the option to add some dialogue, so you can actually choose any tone you want, just a random frequency and the duration. So I'm going to do 10 seconds. Okay, hit start here, and it shows up here. Now in 10 seconds, it's going to automatically clear out. Give it a little bit of time. Alright, and it automatically cleared out. Also, when you go to the overflow menu and you hit about, then you can see my about page here. Go about, go back. Alright, so I'm going to put some tones on here. Several at once. I'm going to make this one 10 seconds. Or actually, I'm going to make this one 15 seconds. I'll put another one real quick before time runs out. I'm going to put 3 seconds. Okay. Now 3 seconds will clear first, and the second one will clear. Cool. Alright. And then I'm going to show this. I'm going to clear it with a fling instead. So I'm going to do this way. I'm going to put 15 seconds. See here, and then I'm going to fling. Cool, and it cleared. Alright. And then I'm going to open this dialog box. I'm going to open that with a long press now. Awesome. And then I'm also going to clear it with that peace sign. There, I'm going to clear it. So I'm going to put 4 seconds, start, and clear here. Cool. And that's the Waves and Peace app. It's pretty all-encompassing. It works with, there's a dialogue fragment, and it has the main activity and then about activity. And they all work together.